Just a quick update.
I'm Rick, and this
Shut the heck up, you stinking roosters. Nail that for your sanity.
this is the shack.
Everybody, welcome. New to the channel, first time stopping by, thank you so much for taking some of your time out to view. I always ask that you would consider subscribing, and if you do, ring the ding that bell down there so you are notified when the videos do come out. Give it a thumbs up, like and a share, it definitely helps the channel. Yes, quick update. A lot of things going on. I have 3 videos in the works, trying to finish up the pantry. Unfortunately, the people I was building it for, the wife works in a doctor's office, something happens. They had to stay away from people for a few weeks, so now I'm allowed to go back and finish. Trying to do that. These are a bunch of bar stock I've cut, drilled. I am making bar clamps, as you see here. I am making all these bar clamps. That is a video coming out. Also, I got a video that may come out pretty soon. I just got me a new tape measure. My old DeWalt worn out. They're about 2 years old. Worn in the back. Numbers are wearing off. I can't see, so I don't stick with one brand. I'm just seeing what was out there. I found something that I really like and I'm very impressed with, that I overlooked for many, many years, but they've rebranded themselves, reinventing themselves, and I think this is a phenomenal tape measure. I'm completely blown away. So those are the things that are in work. So pretty soon I will bombard you with 3 videos or 4 videos, depending on how fast I can get them out, but it will be 1 a week. So amongst the mess, I got something in my hot little hands, and this is the reason for this video. June 1st, I hit a milestone. I tweeted it, didn't say much about it. It was kind of in the midst of a lot of stuff going on, so it was kind of a bittersweet scenario. And I thought I would reward myself for the work that I've done, because if you're not, I think 100,000 subscribers plus, YouTube won't even acknowledge you. You're just a channel, and I'm telling you what, we little channels, we are the foundation of YouTube. So I decided to reward myself. Since they won't acknowledge it, I wanted to acknowledge it. Just for something, because just an example, the video I am doing for the tape measure, I have redone it 3 or 4 times. I do it, I edit it, I look at it, and I was like, oh man, that's too much, I don't like it, trash it, start over, do another one, didn't like it. So I think I'm on my fourth redo of just a basic. I mean, that's how I am. I don't do this stuff very well. I struggle with it, and if I don't like it, I'm sure you wouldn't like it. And some stuff I put out I don't like, but I'm just so tired of redoing it. So something that should take a couple hours, I should be able to put that out. It's taken about 3 days, and I still don't get it right, and I don't like it. So I may end up doing it one more time. So it's not easy for me. I struggle with this. So I decided, because I hit the milestone of 10,000 subscribers, I want to thank all of you. Extremely, extremely thankful for you. I decided, that is cool, to get this. A little plaque just for me that says, my channel, congratulations for reaching 10,000 subscribers. And I did it, I kept an eye on it, I did it on June 1st. Actually, at I think it was 11:44, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm 9,999. When did somebody, I kept refreshing it. 11:44 p.m. on June 1st. I know exactly when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So that's actually pretty cool. I like that. And I'm going to get a couple more just for like when I very first started. When I'm almost at my 5 million view mark, so I'm going to get one for that. And then that's basically it. I just figure I'm never going to get up there to those big milestones, 100,000. I mean, it took 5 years just to get to 10,000, so I'm not And I know I'm not a good personality. I am not something that draws people to it. But I enjoy this. And the few videos that actually have helped people, I tell you what, if I had $5 for every time I helped them on that video, I figured it out because I had so many views, $5 just because I saved them going to a plumber, having to spend a couple of $100, send me $5, I literally could have made $100,000 off that one video if I got $5 for every person that used it and benefited from it. But I don't look at it like that. I look at it as I can't get any more gratification. I can't be more happier than I doing just what I did, and it was to help. I'm not in it for the money. I have other avenues, investments, and rentals. That's where I get it. This I enjoy. So that's it. Just a quick update. Bar clamps I'm making, tape measure review, mobile clamp rack I'm making, pantry for a customer I'm making. It's just every day I come home, I work a little bit on this, work a little bit on that, try to get some of the video up till 11, 12 o'clock, hate it, scrap it, come back next day, try to do it again, go work on the pantry, work on vicious cycle. But in another week or so, this will all be done, and I'll have all my videos ready, so it'll be good. So I thought I would just share this with you, and seriously, to all those who have subscribed, I'm thankful. But if you think about it, if you look at the videos I did for my 30-day challenge, since we had to stay home and do whatever, to me it's not a lockdown. I know other channels still say day 100 whatever lockdown. Dude, I'm not in a lockdown. I'm enjoying my life. I stayed home for 30 days, tackled my shack, which I've been trying to do for 10 years. Finally, seriously, I can honestly say I took it back, because I have room, cars out, because I have my mobile clamp rack sitting there I am working on, but I have all my space. I have my bandsaw back. I can use it again. Serious, if you want to see anything, what I redid my lumber rack. I love it. It's high now. I can get to it. I have all my lumber, and it's just, I took 30 days and I got, well, actually it's like 33. But anyway, 30-day challenge, but my last phase of the cleanup took a couple days. So if you look at all those, maybe 100 views. So I may have 10,000 subscribers. Literally, I think I only have about 100 people that are truly keeping an eye on what I do, check out some of the videos I do, even though it may not pertain to anything they want. They check them out every now and then. So they're more frequent visitors versus the other 9,900. But I think this is absolutely cool. I can't wait to mount it in my room, and I'm going to get a couple more. I said I'm coming up on 5 million views, and I want to get one saying welcome to YouTube on my very first upload in 2005. So thank you, all of you. Thank you. That's it, man. Quick video just to let you know what's going on. Things are happening, and how busy. I think I'm gonna have to go get a 9-to-5 job. I'm busier now retired than oh my gosh. I'm hot, tired, poop. Excuse the way I look, but I've been working, haven't stopped. I just stopped to do this real quick. I'm gonna go in, relax, take a shower, and try to get this video out before I get all these 4 other videos pending. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. Thank you so much. 10,000 subscribers. YouTube don't care, but I truly appreciate it, and I'm very, very humble. See you next video. That's nice. I'm gonna go show my wife.